Welcome to Maurice Samuel's Virtual Tours. I'm just doing a quick take today. This is something that is very interesting in the city of Newport Beach. A lot of people might know this is called Balboa Island. And what I'm waiting for is a car ferry to go over to the other side of it's actually not an island but a peninsula, but they call it Balboa Island. But this is an interesting way to kind of see the waterways here in Newport. As you probably can see off in the distance, there is another ferry coming across. It's like a few dollars to ride the ferry, but I think that this is a very cool way to kind of see Newport Beach. I kind of found this by accident once, and you don't really hear a lot about this in Newport. Newport is more of the I wouldn't say lively, but they do have restaurants and bars at night, where a lot of the other surrounding cities don't have that. So this is where the life light center of the area is. So when you're coming out to Newport Beach, you might want to check this out. But this actually on this end is more of a family oriented part where they have, as you can see off, there's a Ferris wheel, they have game rooms, and there's another beach with another pier that we're going to take a look at as well. So as you can see, it's coming in right now, so I guess they're going to let the cars off and then we can ride up onto the ferry. Just stay tuned with me and we're going to take a nice little tour of this beautiful addition to Newport Beach. Please be patient with me. I'm going to be holding this and driving at the same time, but when I get across onto the ferry, I'll speak a little bit more and show you the beautiful waterways they have here. Like I said before, this is not a very known part of it. Does not really advertise. You say, oh, Newport Beach, you hear about a ferry, but highly recommend you come check this out because it's not free, but it's a few dollars, so it's not a lot of money to ride the ferry and experience something that you probably have never experienced. As you can see, there's some cars coming off here right now. So I guess once all those cars they've exited, then we can enter. And I believe they're loading on now, so here we go. John Wayne. According to this is his 110th birthday in 2017. Hopefully, it looks like we might be full, so if you folks could hold on for me, please. We're going to come back when it is our turn to enter the ferry. Okay, we're back. We're back to the auto ferry here in Newport Beach. They're pretty efficient the way this works. I guess they have a couple of ferries moving as one is dropping off. There's another one on this way back. So we're going to be getting on this pretty quickly here. As you can see, again, the ferry is pulling up and they're going to be unloading and allowing us to load. So This is a beautiful day, so you should be able to see a lot of things. There's a lot of boats I can see on the water right now. But I was just always blown away how beautiful this area is, and it's not really, not a lot of people know about this. So what's interesting too is that this part of Newport Beach, once you get to the main road up the peninsula, is Highway 55. So it's a direct shot from Disneyland. So you can come from Disneyland and head over here, or where you're waiting to come across one day, you could do this as well. So they are disembarking as we speak. Here we go.
In a quarter of a mile, turn right on East Balboa Boulevard.
All right. Hey, can you mind saying a few words for a channel for about the ferry?
Unfortunately, I really don't have any time. Sorry, man.
Oh, no worries. I'll try to get a little interview here, but they don't have time. Go ahead. No worries. Got my Kia Telluride here, and we are on the ferry.
Yeah, hey, look at this one, Jimmy.
As you can see,
Okay, right down there. Can you put your head up a little more? There you go.
Captain has started us off on our quick voyage across the channel.
Okay, now get ready again. Okay, Eric, go forward a little bit. Right there. Okay, hold on, one more. Alright. Is this you in the car?
Oh yes.
Yeah, 225.
As you can see, they're charging us $225 for the ride. You wouldn't mind saying a few words about what you guys do here? I have a channel that's talking a little bit about what we do.
We just take people across all day.
Yeah.
It saves you about 30 minutes if you're riding a bike.
Okay.
In a car, like 15.
So what are the hours you can do this?
We go from 6:30 to 12.
Excellent. Thank you for sharing.
I just gave you a chance. Thank you.
So again, they save you about 30 minutes, so going around. Again, this is Maurice Samuel's Virtual Tours. Just wanted to do like a little quick take about the auto ferry in Newport Beach. And if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do. I am trying to find interesting places to see and to film that you may or may not know. But again, I always are looking for suggestions and places that you think you might want to see or have questions about. Off in the distance, there's another ferry pulling off, so I guess we're waiting for it's clear to go back on to Balboa Island. This is actually called Balboa Island, but it is a peninsula, so not sure why they call it an island, but that is the name of where we are. Right. All right, back in my car. Well, again, this is Maurice Samuel's Virtual Tours. I appreciate the quick take with me, and again, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
What if this is only other?